Alrighty then, this is another great day in the neighborhood. Thank you from Superstar Jonovich, your teacher. Miss J. Hey, just gonna make a video real quick of how to use Google Drawings. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do that. If you'll make a tab, do a new tab, and you're gonna go and you're gonna find Balt's website. Click on the Balt's website, then you're going to go over here to Student, and then we're going to go down here to Google Apps. And as soon as you have Google Apps opened, okay, next thing you're going to do is you're going to get a new one. So you're going to click on New once you've got your Google Drive open. Click on New. All right, and then we're going to look down here and see where it says More down here. You're going to click down and you see there's all this kind of stuff over here. We're going to do a thing called Google Drawings. So click on Google Drawings. All right, now this brings up a drawing template. Now this drawing template is going to be made up of different things. And so on this file menu here, when I click on File, you can make a copy, you can open it, make a new one, download it, rename it, publish it to the web, whatever you feel like doing. But the first thing I want you to do is just look through it like this. Okay, here's Edit, and here's View, and here's Insert. Okay, so now we can insert things. So we can go down here and I can insert shapes, I can insert arrows, I can insert callouts, and I can insert the equations. Okay, I can also do a text box. So if I clicked on it, it would give me a text box. I can also upload a design, something you want to put in here from a drive, photos, by a URL or a camera, whichever you prefer. I can also do a table. You can see there where I can move over here and I can make any size table I want. Okay, and I can also do a chart. Here's a bar one, here's a column, a line, a pie, and I can even take some from Sheets, if you see down here from the Google Sheets. Okay, here's a diagram. Okay, I can click on a diagram. If I go over here to this side, it gives me all kinds of diagrams. I got a cycle, I got a process, a timeline, hierarchy, lots of good stuff in there. All right, so if you don't want that anymore, you're going to click on the X over here. All right, here's some other stuff. Insert, okay, we're there. Format, arrange, tools. All of these things will be able to be used. Okay, so what I want you to use is mainly, we're going to use the shape one. And what we're going to use a square, and we're going to use a circle, okay? And then we're going to use a rhombus, which I'm going to take this one, and what you use is this hexagon right here. No, let's see, where is the rhombus? I don't see, no, it's not a rhombus. Decagon, octagon, heptagon, hexagon. Don't know what I did. Maybe this is what I used instead. Oh yeah, there I did. There's the flowchart decision. Okay, so I used that one. You can use that one, pull it in just like this. So you can click on it and look what it does. You can just draw it out. Pretty cool, huh? So that's your rhombus. Okay, so let's say I want to do a circle. I'm going to go like this. Whoops, go here, click on it, and I'm going to make an oval. Look at that. Perfect, huh? And then if you need an arrow, so let's go ahead and put this over here. I'm just moving it. And notice I had to do what first to it? I had to click on it. Okay, so now I'm going to use an arrow, a line. Okay, so I look down here and I got an arrow. So I'm going to take this arrow and I'm going to start one of these purple dots and I'm going to pull this arrow out this way and I'm going to do that and make that into an arrow. Okay, that one, when you click on that, you just delete it. Use the delete button. Okay. There's how you make arrows. Now this arrow, I believe I can make it bigger by going here, and I can make it, well, that's just that arrow. I can make it look like a different looking arrow. See that little one? Okay. Format options, I can click on that. I can do a size and position. I can make this bigger. I can use these and see how it's making it move. Okay, and then I can also go my Y. See, I'm making it move up and down like that. Okay, my width scale. Okay, that made it bigger, I believe. No, not really. Well, you can try it. Just work with it. Check it out. See what you can do. All right, so that's how you do it. Okay, and so you can do anything in here, arranging, formatting. Okay, I think maybe if I click on something and then I go to format. Yep, there you go. See, you can put text in there. You can align and indent it. You can make line spacing, bullets, clear formatting, fill the color of it. You can change the color. See, there's a green instead of a blue. Here's a text box. This text box you may not want or use, but you could say this is a hint to what I am doing in my flow chart for my class. Okay, so that's what you might want to do. Okay, so then it comes up as that. And you can add anything you want to. You can add something inside it saying, hi, what's up? I can't even see. What's up? Okay, all right. So this would be your decision block in the flow chart. Okay, and so you can make this bigger this way too. Okay. And so you could also make this where it's in the middle. Whoops, you got to make sure you get all of it. Okay, so you go over here, and that can be in the middle like that. Okay, so there's all kinds of stuff you can do with this. So, you know, play with it, check it out. Okay, and then up here at the top, you would give it your, you know, your IM underscore, you know, activity, and then, you know, whatever the activity is, and then so let's say, for instance, it's 5 underscore 3 underscore 3 underscore LJ, because that's my initials. So, all right. So that's how you do it. Click on it here. You can move it to any folder in your drive. You can also go ahead and put it in Google Classroom and in the add section and turn it in. Okay, so, and I would like to have you have a good time, have a good evening, and I hope this finds you good. Talk to you soon. Have fun in the neighborhood. Later.